Hi there. So I've had it up to here with the sewing space disaster. I mean, my studio is a mess, so I'm taking some time to get organized. And I want to share a pro tip with you and some surprises why it is important to occasionally go through, clean out, purge, clean, organize your sewing supplies, your quilting stuff. Besides the alarming amount of dead spiders I found underneath the tiny bookshelf, I have some other surprises. Let me show you. I'm primarily focusing on this bookshelf and cutting things that I need, references that I need to have. So I'm sorting through this and I'm going along and kind of a little trip down memory lane. I found some fun ones that I used often. Oh, cannot survive without the add a quarter when you need it. Here's a whole bunch of Fons and Porter tool. I don't use these very often, but it's good to have when you do. But oh, looky here, duplicates. So, do you have any duplicates or is it just me?